Let's see.
Long stick. This! Hey, this will work. Oh.
Don't touch it. Okay, let's play catch ball then.
The ball.
No, that's not catch ball. No, this one. Oh, is that the one you're using?
Oh, I'm trying to get this.
Get it.
Yes.
Oh my god.
The iron
Okay. Let's play catch ball. That's what you call it?
catch ball.
Okay, let's go. Throw it.